Hey guys, just figure I'd give you an update. I got those K-Drons out, the 40s, and I put in these 48 IDFs, Weber's authentic, which are pretty good. I bought the kit off of some guy that had it brand new. If you see my video, you know the story. But I tried to make another video, but something got messed up when I was putting these in. I don't know what happened. Anyways, when I got this kit, it didn't come with the block off plates for the choke. So I had to order those in. And the Heim joints and the down rods were kind of jacked up. They wouldn't like thread all the way, and they just didn't work. I ended up snapping one of them, so I just ordered in some new ones and put those on. They're just empty ones, so they really suck. They're like so loose. I want to upgrade them eventually, but for now they're working well enough. But yeah, I put them in, got them all dialed in, and they're running great. I just took the ride out yesterday and got her a little dirty. But yeah, I'll fire this thing up, let you guys hear how it is. I don't know why that thing's popped off. Interesting. I may have to tighten that down a little more. Oh well. And I did put my stinger back on. It's kind of weird. I got the quiet pack too. Like every 2 or 3 weeks I'm swapping this thing out. Back and forth, back and forth. I don't know which one I like better. I think they're all the same. But anyways, yeah, let's fire this bad boy up, see how it does. Alright. Got the hex bar linkage in, and it's working well. It's all dialed in. Push on it. They both actuate at the same time. Dialed in my idle and my carb. Things loud back here. Yeah, it's working really well. I'm really happy with them. Still a little cold right now, and my idle's a little low, but it's getting better. I got it set right between 8 and 900, which is good. As far as drivability goes with these, streetability, they're not bad. I mean, I've heard a lot of people say, oh, they're not streetable, you know, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? I've been driving them around for like 2 weeks now, or 3 weeks, however long it is. And they're great. I haven't had any issues. They are a little poppy at low speeds. But I mean, look at this. It's smooth. Smooth. Like a baby's butt smooth. I mean, I like it. I'm not disappointed. I think they're very streetable cards. You just got to get them tuned up and dialed in right. But they're fast. They added a lot to my little car. I mean, this ain't even really nutting it. This is a pretty quick little car. It's got a 2276 in it. And yeah, it hauls. It's got that low end torque that I like. swear this thing got the wheels off the ground. I've never been in a car that did, but if I was, I would say that was it. And yeah, this is a really nice cruiser. I mean, I got bigger tires, so I'm actually going probably about 60 right now, a little under 3,000 RPMs, which is pretty good. It's just cruising speed. I still got plenty of throttle to get up and go if I wanted to. But as far as drivability and streetability go, it feels just as good as my Webers. I mean, they're a little sensitive, like going through parking lots and stuff, yeah. But I mean, what do you expect? They're big carbs. They're gonna be sensitive. They're gonna want to pull and want to get up and go. You know, it's not like my ICTs, you know, they're not big carbs. They don't want to go anywhere. You know, it's in a bus that's heavy and weighted down with a smaller motor. They just don't have as much pull, you know, and the motor doesn't have as much pull. So of course my bus is going to drive better on the street, you know. But if I want to be out there and smoking these Hondas or Mustangs or whatever, you know, this is the way to go. This is kind of the dream. Some big old carbs on a big old engine. Don't mess around. She's got a lot more. It's a little hard to do driving one-handed. No, it's not the safest, but I mean, she's running great, strong. Carb upgrade is good. Dialing them in was not so bad either. A lot of people tell me, oh, you're gonna spend forever dialing those things in. Not really. It took me like 10 minutes. I had these things dialed in. Now, I could probably go for a little bit of rejetting, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Right now it seems to be running good. Eventually I may upgrade my jets or downgrade, but I haven't noticed any reason to. I haven't had any of the bogging or the flat spots or, you know, anything like that. It's idling great. It's running great at a low circuit. The main circuit's running great. It's you know, I doubt I'll even do the jets. I did them on my bus. I really wanted to. It was giving me a little bit of problems with the jetting I had. But maybe these are a little more tunable, so I didn't have as much of an issue. I mean, I'm still, you know, within spec of, you know, what Weber calls for on the mixture screw and the idle screw. So yeah, anyways, just wanted to update you guys, let you know how these things are doing, let you know I'm really pleased and happy with their performance. They're good on the street, easy to install, easy to tune, no issues. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll reply to anyone about anything. Pretty good about that. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for subbing if you do, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.